Hello students, welcome to my class, and today I start our social study class, and today we're gonna start new chapter 13, the northern place, page number 95, 96, 97 and 98. Okay, so let's start students. The northern plains. The northern plains is a vast area of flat fertile land that lies between the Himalayas and the southern plateaus. It stretches from Punjab in northwest to Assam in the east. Northern plains are formed by the deposits brought in by three major rivers and their tributaries. These rivers are the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. These plains are rich in alluvial soil. Alluvium is that is deposited by a river or other water running. It is made of a large variety of material like fine particles of sleet and clay and large particles of sand and gravel. सो नॉर्दर्न प्लेस कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? पंजाब से आसाम तक। और यहाँ पे थ्री रिवर्स बहुत ही मतलब मेन रिवर्स है, वो है इंदुस, गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र। और ये जो प्लेन्स है ये अलुवियल सॉइल से तैयार है। The northern plains of India are the most productive regions for agriculture because of its rich fertile soil, adequate water supply and favorable climatic conditions. Mostly rice and wheat are grown in this area. Because of its high fertility and production of rice, it is also known as the Rice Bowl of India. So northern plains एग्रीकल्चरल के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है और यहाँ पे राइस और व्हीट बहुत ही अच्छा होता है और यहाँ पे राइस बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्शन होता है, तो इसीलिए इसको राइस बोल ऑफ इंडिया बोला जाता है। Divisions of the northern plains. The northern plains are formed by the sediments brought down by the Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. It is popularly known as Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plain. These rivers divide the plain into three river basins. A river basin means an area watered by a river and its tributaries. The three river basins in the northern plains are the Punjab river basin drained by the Indus, the Ganga river basin drained by the Ganga, the Brahmaputra river basin drained by the Brahmaputra. तो ये जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स हैं ये तीनों मतलब तीनों भाग में ये डिवाइडेड है, ठीक है। इंदूज रिवर बाय ड्रेन्ड, गंगा रिवर्स बाय ड्रेन्ड एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर बाय ड्रेन्ड बाय ब्रह्मपुत्र। द पंजाब रिवर बसिन The western part of the northern plains is known as the Punjab river basin. The river basin is drained by the Indus and its tributaries, Sutlej, Beas, and Ravi. Only a part of the Indus river basin lies in India. Punjab and Haryana lies in the Punjab plains mm, formed by the Indus river. So Punjab and Haryana इंदुस रिवर से तैयार हो. इंदुस रिवर मतलब उनके पास वो इंदुस रिवर है और वही मतलब उसका ही जो मिट्टी होता है, अच्छा मिट्टी जो होता है वो पंजाब और हरियाणा में है. The soil is mostly made of sleet and porous. The Bhakra Nangal Dam, built on the river Sutlej, provides electricity and water for irrigation in the region. Main crops grown in this region are wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane. भाखड़ा नांगल डैम तैयार हुआ है रिवर सुतलेज के वहाँ पर और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी उस वाटर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तैयार होता है. ठीक है. और वहाँ पे क्या कौन कौन सा फसल उगता है वहाँ पे? व्हीट, राइस, कॉटन एंड शुगर केन. The Ganga River Basin. The large part of northern plains is made up of the Ganga River Basin. It extends from East Punjab to Bangladesh border in the east. It mainly covers the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. The Ganga River Basin is drained by the river Ganga and the other rivers like the Yamuna, Ghagra, Ganda, Koshi, and the Tista from the Himalayas. The Ganga enters the northern plains near Haridwar. The Yamuna joins Ganga at Allahabad. This place is called Sangam. The Ganga flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. In upper region of the river basin, the river flows swiftly. When it reaches West Bengal, it flows slowly and splits into two branches, the Hooghly and the Padma rivers. सो गंगा कहाँ से बह चुकी है? उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार एंड वेस्ट बंगाल से. वेस्ट बंगाल में जाके गंगा टू ब्रांचेस में डिवाइड हो चुकी मतलब हो गई है. एक है हुगली और एक है पद्मा रिवर्स. The Ganga river basin is the most populated part of India. People here are mainly engaged in agriculture. A variety of crops like rice, wheat, jute, and sugarcane are grown in these areas. Trade, commerce, and industry also flourish in the region. The Brahmaputra river basin. The Brahmaputra river starts in Tibet, where it is called Sangpo. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam before entering Bangladesh. The Brahmaputra river basin is formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. These two rivers form the largest delta in the world before falling into the Bay of Bengal. This delta is called Sundarbans. This region experiences heavy rainfall. Agriculture is main occupation of the people here. Paddy is the main crop grown here, while other crops grown include wheat, maize, grams, millets, jute, and sugarcane. Because of the fertile soil and high agricultural production, this region is heavily populated. ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर बसीन में क्या है? ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर स्टार्ट हुआ है तिब्बत से, जहाँ पे उनका नाम था सांगपो। उसके बाद वो इंडिया में एंटर किया, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, उसके बाद आसाम, उसके बाद फिर से बांग्लादेश। ब्रह्मपुत्र जितना है इंडिया में, तो वो है गंगा के साथ ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर एक साथ है, और उस दोनों ने एक डेल्टा बनाया है, सबसे लार्जेस्ट डेल्टा वर्ल्ड का, वो है सुंदरबंस। ठीक है, वहाँ पे मेनली लोग ऑक्यूपेशन है उनका एग्रीकल्चर। Importance of the northern plains. Northern plains of India are a gift of the river Ganga. They are very important for our country because of the following reasons. The northern plains are made of alluvial soil. This soil is very fertile and best suited for the cultivation of crops like wheat, rice, sugarcane, pulses, etc. Therefore, the northern plains are also called the food bowl of India. So, northern plains को food bowl of India भी बोला जाता है. The northern plains are home to millions of people in our country. Since the land is flat and leveled here, the roads and railways are well developed. Connectivity of the area is good. The northern plains has many well developed industries like iron and steel, sugar, cement and jute. तो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में बहुत ही वेल डेवलप इंडस्ट्री है, जैसे कि आयरन इंडस्ट्री, आयरन, स्टील, sugar, cement, jute, etc. Since the northern plains are fed by many rivers, various dams are built on these rivers that provide water and electricity. Life of people in the northern plains. The northern plains cover almost the entire area of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand and Assam. Let us know more about the life of people in the northern plains. Punjab is called the land of 5 rivers because earlier the 5 tributaries of Indus flowed through it. However, after partition, today's Punjab has only Ravi, Beas and Sutlej flowing through it. People of Punjab are hardworking and use modern methods of farming to cultivate different food crops, mainly wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, fruits and vegetables. Punjab is often called the bread basket of India because high production of wheat. So पंजाब को लैंड ऑफ 5 रिवर्स भी बोला जाता था पहले, अभी बोला जाता है बिकॉज इंदुस के जो 5 ट्रिब्यूटरीज है वो यहाँ पे ही बह चुकी है. पर अभी पार्टीशन के बाद अभी क्या है उनके पास है सिर्फ रबी, बीज एंड सुतलेज, और यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा व्हीट प्रोडक्शन होता है, तो इसीलिए इसको ब्रेड बास्केट ऑफ इंडिया बोला जाता है. The people of Punjab speak Punjabi and Hindi. Sikhism is the main religion of the people living here. Men generally wear dhoti, kurta and lungi, while women wear salwar, kameez and dupatta. Their most famous food dish is makki ki roti and sarson ka saag and lassi. Baisakhi and Guru Parav are the main important festival of Punjab. During such festivals and celebrations, the men dance the bhangra while women do the gidda. Chandigarh is the capital city of Punjab. Other important cities are Amritsar, Ludhiana, and Jalandhar. Amritsar is the best known for the Golden Temple, which is the biggest pilgrimage site of the Sikhs. The site is also known for its woolen clothes. The city is also known for its woolen clothes. Jalandhar is famous for sports goods, and Ludhiana is most famous for hosiery and woolen clothes. Haryana is a North Indian state that shares its boundaries with Punjab, UP, राजस्थान एंड दिल्ली. ओके, सो यहाँ पे देखो पंजाब में जो लोग हैं वो पंजाबी बोलते हैं और हिंदी भी बोलते हैं. और सिखिज़म यहाँ का मेन रिलीजन है. और यहाँ की फेमस डिश है मक्की की रोटी एंड सरसों का साग. यहाँ पे जो मतलब मेन होते हैं वो भांगड़ा डांस करते हैं और जो वुमेन होते हैं वो गिद्दा. चंडीगढ़ यहाँ का कैपिटल है. और यहाँ पे जो गोल्डन टेम्पल है वो कहाँ पर है, वो है अमृतसर में. यहाँ पे वुलन क्लॉथ्स बहुत ही फेमस है. और लुधियाना, जलंधर, ये भी बहुत फेमस है. ये दोनों शहर भी बहुत फेमस है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, आज आप लोग यहाँ तक ही पढ़ो. नेक्स्ट डे हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, सो आज के लिए इतना ही. सो टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड कीप लर्निंग.